Hello everyone. So today in this video, we're going to talk about how to buy PUBG UC from dark web. So without wasting the time, let's start the video. First of all, you have to download a Tor browser. You can download it from Play Store if you are using Android phone, or you can also download it from Chrome. After downloading it, open the Tor browser. Just connect the server. Once the server will be connected, you have to search the website. Search the website. A link will be in the description or in the comment section. Wait. Once the website has been opened, now go to the top up category. There, you will see the lot of top up option for the Fire Diamond, ML Diamond, Vivo Live Diamond. So you have to click on PUBG Mobile UC. Choose the amount you want to buy. I'm going to buy it on 100k UC. Okay, guys, first of all, you have to copy the username. As you see, I have just 62 UC. To the Gmail, click on pay. So you have to pay the get amount of BTC on the given address. So guys, I'm going to do a payment. After payment, I'll log back and I'll show you the UC. Okay guys, I have completed the payment. Now I'm going to show you my current UC. How much UC I have. As you see, I have received my UC. Currently I have 100k and 63 UC. As you see in the screen. Thank you for watching the video. See you in next video.